Welcome to Glowing Secrets, powered by Glow, your beauty partner. Well, they say beauty is in the eye of the beholder. We are to find out from our guest what she feels about beauty and how beauty has transformed her life. She's an actress, a model, a trainer, a bundle of talent, I would say. Let's welcome Chula. Welcome, Chula.
Hi, Roseanne.
Well, firstly, since the show is all about beauty, I want to know what you think about beauty.
Well, beauty for me is the moment you decided to be yourself is beauty begins, I think, because there's no point in you're wearing all the expensive makeup, expensive clothes if you're not comfortable with yourself.
Yes.
So beauty begins if you're comfortable with
From
yourself.
within.
Yeah, definitely.
Well, that's an interesting thought because a lot of people try to be beautiful by imitating someone else, or they want to become something they are not. So that's an interesting thought. Be yourself, and then beauty begins there. Well, from the time that you began as a model, then becoming an actress after that, a dancer, of course you have to have beauty also, the grace and everything. So how has beauty changed from that then to now? The way you look at beauty, or the way that you transform yourself, how has it changed?
I think it was a transformation, definitely, because when we were kids, we are not so, we don't have healthy diets. We tend to eat, all knickknacks and whatever. But with the age, and when you realize, in the skin, that's what shows, the aging, the biggest ingredient, the skin. So then you realize, okay, I can't be doing the same things what I did when I'm in my teens and when I'm 20s. So then you change the meal patterns. Of course, I have changed it. And the exercises, even though I'm a dancer, but there are certain exercises we have to follow.
Yes.
So we go through that, because for the past 6 years, 5 years, I have not been really working out. Then I realized, okay, I can't be doing what I did before, so I have to get into a pattern. So yeah, definitely there's a transformation from start to now.
So you what you say is beauty is like a package. It's not only skin, it's not only it's the body shape also is important.
Definitely.
So what are the other aspects of beauty to you?
Beauty, hair, definitely hair, and the skin color. I think we have to, I think all the skin colors are beautiful, but it's about you having a healthier skin is what matters. So even though I am not into, we are into always tan models and all this brown skin being Sri Lankan, Asian skin, island, because tropical island, we expect, they expect girls to be, the women to be exotic.
Yes, of course.
So, and I think we should embrace that. I think everyone is beautiful, but that's why I said you have to be comfortable. I think it's more about the personality you developed, and be comfortable with yourself. Even if you have a short haircut, long, or even if you have brown, or your eyes are dark eyes or light eye, it doesn't matter. But if you're comfortable and if you have a great personality to carry it off.
To carry it, yeah, that's the main thing, I guess.
That's the main thing, yeah.
So be comfortable in your shoes. That's what Chula advises us. Anyway, getting back to training. Now you're a confident model now, everyone looks up to you, but when you have to train another model to come up to your level or your standard, how difficult is it, or how difficult is it to tell them what to do, or do they listen? Or I know I had similar experiences, but you can come up with your own experience.
I think with the social media now, they think that if you have so many followers or so many likes and all, like viewers, that you are a model, but it's not like that. I have to explain that. No, basically maybe a brand or a design has to hire you, and if you get paid for it, of course, and there are different categories, like if you are tall, if you have the body, whatever, then you can be a ramp model, or otherwise you can be a media or photographic model. So there are different things. But nowadays kids, they come with this idea about being famous. That time we didn't have that.
That's the
first thing they just want to be famous. When we go and judge pageants, we ask, why are you here? We want to be a model. I was like, they don't know the concept of modeling or the pageant. So first we have to, teach
and
that.
I guess the famous also, they want to be instant.
Oh yeah, instant. They love that tag, instant tag. So I think for us, took almost 20 years to be here.
Still we are learning.
We are learning.
Yeah.
There are a lot of talented kids, so I always say to my kids, I want them to go beyond me. Like, you know, that as a
Yeah.
teacher, that's the only way I can be a great teacher to them.
Of course.
So when we started, we didn't have so many opportunities, and even to get a Vogue magazine, it's like so hard that
Yeah.
time. But nowadays, you can go on internet, you can
It's on
watch
your fingertips.
any show on the world. So it is where we have got talented kids, but in the meantime, it's very difficult to get them to the right path because there are so many other things happening at the moment. Fake things. So because of that, it's like we have to be like Mother Goose sometimes, protecting behind them. So, but it's quite interesting, yeah.
So beauty wise, what's the advice you can give them? I mean, they have to develop their personality, they have to look into their outer beauty, then of course etiquette and everything falls into place,
yeah,
right?
definitely.
So beauty wise, what is the advice that you give them? How would you tell them to take care of themselves?
Main things I say is their diet. You know, it's a
Number
must.
one.
Number one, and exercises, and lots of water.
Okay.
I think a lot of people, they don't, you know, even we don't sometimes
Drink,
But
yeah.
I said, you know, make an alarm, keep an alarm. There are enough apps, and more than anything, I think you have to be unique. That is what it is, because we don't want another duplicate of Roseanne or a Chula or a Naomi. We want something. The moment you are different, when you are unique, you will have a better market.
Yes,
So
and you last for a longer period of time.
period of time. Don't be a copy. That it's not what we look for. And other thing is beauty. It's about the personality. You should be able to work with a crew. That's very difficult to find nowadays. Communication is very important. I think that's where beauty starts. If you have a good heart, and if you want to, you know, work, you have to be more helpful. You know, nowadays I have to tell this, because when I do sometimes shows, and I get a shock, because when you come for a show, those it's like we are going on a trip or something. We look forward, we share things. But
Yeah.
nowadays the girls are so blank. I can't even connect.
Glowing Secrets is powered by Glow, and as you know, Glow is a natural ingredient that beautifies you from within. Chula, I can't tell your age. I mean, I know your age, but you don't look your age. So I want to know, what is the secret behind this? I mean, okay, I know there is a lot of makeup, there's a stylist involved, there are a lot of other things also, but without having this natural beauty, you cannot enhance it. There should be some canvas to work on. So what is your secret? I want everyone to know the secret.
Well, I do exercise, but I start my day with like a 10 to 15 minutes of meditation. Then I drink water. Actually, I try to keep a lot of negative people and negative thoughts away from me.
Oh, that's also a
Yeah, I
plus
started
point.
very recently after COVID, really. So,
Oh, okay.
and actually, it has worked so well for me. I think it's all
So
about.
peace of mind is
Oh
also.
yeah, that's very important, and sleep.
Like, okay, let's say your day begins at 6 a.m.
Yeah. Oh
Okay.
God, you got it.
I just presumed. And then you start with your water, your diet, your breakfast, and then how does it flow?
Then I do bit of workout, either yoga or bit of cardio. Then of course I have the kids, so you know
Yeah.
throughout the day I'll
workout
it's a
throughout the day,
workout.
yeah.
But I hit bed early, like, you know, we used to break rest earlier, like we'll be up till like 12, 1, but now I don't do that anymore.
So you go to bed with
by-
the kid itself.
Yeah, by
Okay.
9 I'm in bed.
So that's good. So you get like a 7, 8
Oh, yeah.
hours,
Yeah.
nice, good, nice sleep. So that
Yeah.
also helps a lot.
Of course.
Okay, lastly, what advice do you give these youngsters today? They look at all instant products, they look at all instant beauty, they'll do anything, they'll go to any length to be beautiful. What is the advice that you can give these young girls and boys out there?
Well, I think don't go for instant thing. Don't go for, think about it long term. A lot of people about this fairness, skin products, and what, even dieting, That's why I said, like, you can skip meals, but like long run, you're going to damage your organs. You rather, you eat what you like nicely in nice portions and work out. And think on the long run, the long plan, have a goal, like not
for tomorrow and day after, but
day after,
years ahead.
years. And a lot of time when we go for auditioning also, when they send the pictures, and when we go and we see
Completely
a
different person.
different person. That's why I
Yeah.
say, be you, be comfortable within you. Like, if you don't like something about it, work towards it, change it. Your skin, everything, and if you can, you know, cut down on the surgeries also. Like I always
I
say-
guess zero surgeries.
Oh, definitely,
Yeah.
definitely. Unless you really need one.
Yeah, there's something radically wrong with you. But I guess, Chula, if we go to bottom line it's be yourself, be comfortable, and be unique.
Yeah,
that is
definitely.
what your beauty secret is. Okay, Chula, thank you so much for being on my show. It's lovely having you, because I know you fit the program perfectly, my show, because of the quality and the standards that you have maintained as a model, as an actress, as a dancer, as a personality. So this is a small gift from me to you. Thank you, Chula, for being on my show. It was lovely, and I really enjoyed your little secret of beauty. Well, Glowing Secrets is all about revealing beauty secrets of celebrities. So join me again to unveil another secret of a celebrity.